Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the chain rule to differentiate three basic exponential functions. Starting with part A, we've got y is equal to e to the x minus 3. Now because we've been specifically asked to use the chain rule to find the derivative, we need to show the full steps. And so we start with writing down the chain rule formula. And this is dy dx is equal to dy du times du dx. When differentiating exponential functions using the chain rule, what we do is let u equal the exponent of the e term. And so for part A, we're going to let u equal x. Deriving this, we're going to get du dx. And this is going to be 1. We then write y as a function of u. And so y is going to equal e to the u minus 3. Deriving this, we're going to get dy du, and this is going to equal e to the u. Now that we have dy du and du dx, we sub this into the formula to work out dy dx. And so dy dx is going to equal dy du, which is e to the u, times du dx, which is just 1. And so simplifying this is going to be e to the u. And now we're just bringing u back in as a function of x, and so this is just going to be e to the x. Part B. Y is equal to 4 minus e to the 2x. And so we start by letting u equal the exponent of the e term. And so u is going to equal 2x. Deriving this, we're going to get du dx, and this is going to be 2. We then write y as a function of u, and so this is going to be 4 minus e to the u. Deriving this, dy du is going to be minus e to the u. And now subbing this into the chain rule formula, dy dx is going to be dy du, which is minus e to the u, times du dx, which is 2. Simplifying this, this is going to be minus 2 e to the u. And now we're subbing u back in as a function of x. And so this is going to be minus 2 times e to the 2x. Part C. Y is equal to 5 times e to the power of 3x squared minus 1. And so we're going to let u equal the exponent, which is 3x squared minus 1. And so u is going to be 3x squared minus 1, which means that deriving this, du dx is going to be 6x. And then we write y as a function of u, and so this is going to be 5 times e to the u. And so dy du is going to be 5 times e to the u. And now subbing this into the chain rule formula, we're going to get dy dx is equal to dy du, which is 5 times e to the u, times du dx, which is 6x. Cleaning this up, this is going to be 30x times e to the power of u, and now we're subbing u back in as a function of x, and so this is equal to 30x times e to the power of 3x squared minus 1. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, then click on the like button or comment below and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video.